According to philosopher Henry Bergson, for any conscious being, to live is to change. To change is to grow is to mature, and go on creating oneself anew endlessly. And isn't it exciting that we can continue to change and to renew ourselves and become extraordinary versions of what we were for as long as we live? So this program is not so much about knowledge. Knowledge keeps no better than fish. This is about wisdom, the wisdom to change. And that's what happiness is. Happiness is growth. We are happy when we are growing. So take an exalted view of who you are and become an architect of a great life. Work harder on yourself than you do on your job, because in you is where the treasure lies. I'm Dr. Ken Nett.